Hello and welcome to Technical Shubham. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a program for calculating amount. So let's get started. For this project, we have to open our Virtual Studio Code here. In this, we have to define a new file. Name it as test6.python file. In this text box, we have to write our code. We have to define a variable that is principal for represented as P. Float values. We have to input the values from user. Enter money length. This statement will input the value from user. Another statement that for rate is equals to R. Simply copy the whole statement and paste it over here and put rate. Input rate of interest. We have to define a time variable. Enter time in years. After that, we have to define a variable for SI equals to principal into time into rate. Divide hill with 100. After that, we have to define an amount variable that is principal amount plus SI. Okay, then we have to print our amount variable. Here amount payable is rupees and your amount that is AMOUNT. Okay, this is our code. Let's check it is performing well or not. Here it will input the money in length, means principal value. We have to input 45,000. Rate of interest 58. Time in years 2 years. Rupees 97,200 rupees. I will hope that you will get it. Thank you.